Thank you all so much for stopping by today. So I'm trying to stand in the sun because we had a good rain last night and it turned cold. And it's going to be a little bit colder. I think the lows for a couple of days is going to be 34 degrees. So I'm kind of out here in layers today. But one of our viewers wanted to see like a lettuce harvest, and I thought that was such a good idea to do. So if you have anything that you would like to see, any particular garden topic that you would like to talk about, make sure you put it down in the comments, because I do go through and I read each and every comment and I try to respond. Now, it may not be today or it may not be tomorrow, but I do get in there and I read all of your comments. So I'm going to link the video to where we first harvested this patio planter, but we're just not going to harvest from that today. Like, I'm seriously going to go around the garden and create like a garden salad. And this is what I wanted to share with y'all. Oftentimes we don't start gardening because we just kind of think of all of the things that go along with it instead of starting. And so it's so many reasons why people garden. As a matter of fact, put your reason in the comments, like, why do you garden? Over the years, my reasons have changed, but I can just remember staying in Germany and Italy and just going to their farmers market and just looking at all of the fresh fruits, vegetables. And there were grocery stores for sure, but a lot of people went to the market for just like those fresh produce, fresh flowers, fresh herbs, and they went home and prepared it. Like, their refrigerators were nothing like our refrigerators. But so I just want to just walk around. Now, when I harvest this salad garden, I do understand that cucumbers and tomatoes are not in season. So those are things that I have to go to the store and get if I want them in my salad. But a lot of people just strictly eat with the seasons, or, you know, they may put up and can. But I just thought it would be fun. Walk around the garden with me. I already got my basket. I'm ready. And we're going to create a garden salad, what they offer at the store. It's no right, it's no wrong. You can create exactly what you want when you grow your own. And y'all always know, I'm going to keep saying this, I know what was done, I know what was put on it, I know how it was grown, and so it's fresh. Like, I'm seriously going to pick something and we're going to create today. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Although we have onions that are really bulbing up and getting big in the garden, we're going to leave these. We're not going to harvest any onions, but what I will harvest is some garlic chives that we have growing right in the front. This will give it a good flavor, so I'm going to take some of these, and then let me show you what all I am going to take as well. I'm going to take a few of the carrots right here. I think some of these are ready to harvest. We're going to see. One thing about carrots is you never know until you pull it. Like, it's always a surprise with the carrots. And let me tell y'all, we did a video on broccoli rabe saving seeds, but these flowers are actually edible. So you can put these in your salad as well. They'll have like a little hint of broccoli flavor, but we're still gonna let these go to seed. Everything is looking good with this, but utilize these flowers as well. There's so many different types of edible flowers that you can put in your garden salad. So before I go into the house and wash up everything and get it chopped up to show you, I just want to go over some of the things that we picked up from the garden. I think I am going to come back. I'm going to get some flower blooms when I'm all done from the Johnny Jump Ups, and then also from the broccoli rabe that we have. But I pulled a couple of purple cabbage from the plant to kind of intermix in there and give it some color. Then we have our iceberg lettuce. We have some red leaf lettuce, red kale, Swiss chard, the garlic chives, and the mix. I think this was the mix. I want to say the alfresco mix of the lettuce, and then we have our carrots. I picked some thyme and some oregano to add some herbs into the salad. But you see how you can create, like, who is going to tell you like you can't do that, or that's not part of a salad mix? You got to eat it. You can make it whatever you want to. I like purple cabbage in my salad, and a lot of them sell the bag lettuce. So we also have a white carrot that we pulled up, so we're going to add that in there too. But let me go ahead and get everything chopped up. I do have a salad spinner. I'm going to run everything through after I get it washed and like drop all the water, and some of the bigger lettuce leaves, we'll chop that up. But I'll let you see like the whole creation when I'm done. Now y'all know me, I always have to take like breaks, so it's not going to be quick. So that's why the beauty of filming is you can stop it, do what you need to do, and come back when it's done. So before I go in, I want to show you that we have, I call these my lettuce bowls that are growing right here on the patio. And do y'all see the container, how big it is? So you don't need a lot of space. These are what you consider cut and come again. And we have two that are growing right here. So you could literally just grow some salad greens in a bowl, still be able to experience like harvesting them fresh whenever you get ready. And again, like I said, if you want to succession plant, which is plant some 1 week, wait 2 or 3 weeks and plant some more, you could totally do that too. But this is a great way to get started with just growing something. Now, who says that your food cannot be beautiful? Y'all, this is what I love to do. Like, I love to just sit there and create different things. All of this is a base, is from our garden. So the lettuce, the Swiss chard, the red cabbage, the kale, the carrots, the garlic chives, the broccoli rabe flowers, the Johnny jump ups, we put thyme, we put oregano in here. So all of this is just a base, and I think I'm missing one, but this is a base. So now these are from my garden. Now if I need to add some of the things that are not in season, like the tomatoes and the cucumbers, like we can do that too. Like I showed you before, we do have onions, but I don't want to harvest them. I want to put like some red onions in there, and that's fine. But this is how you get started gardening. Like, this helps out a whole lot. So I don't have to go to the store, buy the mixed salad greens and all of the other little things that go in here, and you will not find another salad like this. And each time that I make a salad, I create. It may not be any purple cabbage in there that day or any red leaf lettuce. So that's what you can do. You can start to grow, see what's ready in your garden, create with that, and then the things that are not in season, you can get what you need. So that was a whole lot of fun. And again, thank you for that suggestion. I hope that it was helpful and to kind of let you see how we create when we garden. We just have to get started. Now I'm going to go in here and make a salad dressing to go. I have some balsamic vinegar and some olive oil. So I think I'm going to make like a balsamic vinaigrette. But I wanted to ask you something as I was walking out here. I have been picking off the strawberries that are ripe. Again, I like the flavor of strawberry, but not the fruit. So I just give it to Chris and let him just eat it. But I'm going to turn the camera around because this is what I want to show you. And then I want y'all to also comment below about what I'm about to ask you. Now, y'all, this container has been waiting on me for I don't know how long. I am supposed to be moving these strawberries and clearing out this containers because this is one of the containers I want to take with me. But do y'all eat fruit in your salad? I see a lot of places that are offering fruit like strawberries or blueberries in salad. So comment and let me know. Me personally, no, I don't. I don't. But I mean, I heard a lot of people say it's very good. So let me know if you eat fruit. But we have some strawberries that are coming along, and then we have some over here. And again, I already picked some off that were red, but I'm supposed to be moving this out into the garden. And it's been probably about 3 or 4 days now, but I'm going to get to it. As long as it's on my list, all I know is I'm going to get to it. And yeah, we'll get to it. Just keep it on. I just have to keep it on my list. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hurry up and go back inside because the wind is picking up again. But as always, thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you share this video with your family and your friends. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead, tap the subscribe button and tap the bell to make sure that you receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching. And until the next video, bye-bye.